Hi folks, how are you? So this is Agnimitra. So guys, I'm introducing my wonderful course. I would say a course on speed maths calculation skills. Guys, this session is of 11. So you can have a 11 session on speed maths, which includes basically addition, how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply a number, how to divide a number and whatnot. Square root, cube root, square and cubes, everything, etc. So I would request all of you to watch the sessions from 1 to 11. Make a note of it because these methods are not meant for oh wow, aisa wala. No, this is not like that. This is like you should apply these all things in practical solving the question. Means if you are using it, you can solve this. You can use this methods in solving a problem. So I hope you enjoy my course. Till then, bye bye guys. Keep shining and keep learning.
So why I have planned this session? Because two things are important for the banking examination. First is if you don't have a good calculation skills, you are going to lag in the main portion to calculate things. So that's why I'm just taking this sessions so that it is practically this thing is practically would be helping you. My point is that if you learn anything from me, that should be applied on it. Means you should apply that thing on basically in a problem solving approach. So today we'll discuss like addition tricks using the Vedic maths. Now this is very important. I'm not going to differentiate anything about it because Vedic maths is like very ancient kind of a method. Might be I would be saying that some of you know this, that sir I know how to apply Vedic maths, but the point is that if you're not practically using this method, then it's waste of time, correct? So the point is that you should use this method very practically, and in every problem solving approach, if you get like addition, then try using this approach. Same goes for subtraction as well. So that is the point I am saying you. Ki if I give you like 20 sums to solve through the Vedic maths, then try solving that 20 sums, and then I would say that try some more problems and apply this in the practical life. Okay, so let me just show you the concept of it. So basically guys, generally what we do, see, if I take a number, suppose this is the number 532. If I take a number guys like 532 and 657, what we do, we normally add this number from this end, correct? Now we add this number from this end, which is 789, which is 8 and which is 11, correct? This is the normal method which we used to do. We add from this side, from here, or you can say from right to left, from right to left. You can write down from right to left. Now, does this method right to left, does this method help you or makes you a slow learner? The point is that if you are having a good calculation skills, this things is making you a lag. Lag means what? This things is making you a little bit slow. Suppose if you are like good at it, and you can say that I can see the number and then I can add. There is some kind of process which I will guide you today, which you will follow one by one. Then you will see that there's a changes in this method and the method which is basically I have taken from Vedic maths, correct? The method which I have taken from Vedic maths. I hope this is clear to everyone. One by one. Hello. Hi, Rahul, how are you? One by one, I will be guiding you how to use Vedic maths. Basically, what are the key points that you should keep in mind? So suppose guys, if there would be any number, suppose, let me erase this. Suppose there would be, first I showed you the way you do the calculations, correct? Now you follow the calculation from right to left, but Vedic math says don't follow the calculation from right to left. I'll say you why is it so. You will learn something, right? Now let me just give you the theory part of it, that why this is like very useful. See, I used to follow this method only because these things help me a lot while clearing many of the examination, and I think this will help you as well. So first of all guys, you should understand the places value. First, you know there is a unit place, correct? I think everybody of us knows unit place. Then we have tens place, correct? Then we have hundreds place, correct? Then we have 100 place, and then we have 1000 place, correct? Now you will see that this is unit place contains like any number. Tens place contains, like if it is 20, this is 2 into 10, correct? Now 2 into 10. This is nothing but 2 into 100. This is nothing but, let's say, 2 into 1000, correct? And this is nothing but 2 into 1. So the point is that the place value is deciding by the hundreds place also. So this is 10 ki power 3, this is 10 ka power 2, this is 10 ka power 1, and this is 1 ka power 1, correct? So you should slowly learn this point. This is called a place value. This is called a place value. Now I will be using it. I will using this structure while solving any of the addition, which like I will be solving right now also, and you will see one by one that what I do. Okay. Now this is called base system. This is called base system. The base system is what basically when I use a number from 1 to 10. This is basically a base system, correct? When I use a number from 1 to 10, which is called a base system, correct? Now I will use a concept of this. For example, as I said, in 1000 place we have 10 to the power cube. In 100 place we have 10 ka square. In 10th place we have 10 ka power 1, and in 1's place we have only 1, which is like everybody understood. This is a unit place. Now the point here comes, just try and learn the trick. This will help you a lot. This is a kind of a trick which will help you a lot. I will be using this part, and the base system, the number is from basically 1 to 9. I'm writing this 10, but this number is from 1 to 9. Okay. I would like everyone to share this, okay, to your friends so that they can learn. If you have any kind of problem in understanding this process, do comment, then I will be guiding you. Okay. So let's come to the part which we are discussing. Just give me a moment. Let me erase it. Okay. So let's suppose there was a number. If I said there was a number which is 532. Try to understand this number 532, or let me just take into another slide. Just wait, I will take some other slide which let's learn from this method. Okay, learn from this slide. Suppose I take a number like 532. This was only a question. 532 plus, there's a sign of plus, and then we are writing 657. What is the method? First of all, always add. The Vedic math says that add from left to right. Add from left to right. From left to right. First thing, correct? And this is the first thing. Go from this position. I would say from here to here. First thing. Second Vedic math says what? If you get a number 10, switch to the other place. If you get some 10, switch to the left hand side digit. Take one carry to the left hand side. Take one carry to left hand side of a number. Means from if you are getting like 10 here, take one, add one towards this side to carry. If you get a sum 10, take one carry to left hand side. These are the only two rules which you need to follow. As I am saying, these are the only two rules which you need to follow. What are the rules? Add from left to right. First, you should follow add from left to right. Second, if you get sum that is 10, then take one carry to the left hand side. What I am saying? Now let's apply this. So if I take a number, like suppose if I take a number, let me change the marker. If I take a number, suppose 532, and if I add 657, what I said? Add from this end side, from left to right. 6 plus 5, 11, correct? Because this is becoming 10, so none of the digits is towards the left hand side, so I'll stay with the 11, okay? And try to mug up 11. 5 plus 3 is 8, and 7 plus 2 is 9. I hope the answer is same which we have done, 1189. Although this was an easy one, so I have taken this just to make you understand that what we are doing it. I'll take some other problems also which are not in common in nature. Is it right, everyone? I hope all of you are getting my point. I'll take like any number which we can sum up. Is this clear what we are doing? First of all, we are adding from left to right. Now this second rule is not applied here because the sum are very easy. The second rule is not applying here because some are very easy. As I am saying you, let me just make you understand with a harder sum. Okay, then we'll come to this side. Okay, so let me just erase it and let's take some other problem so that it will be making you clear. Okay, so suppose if you can also comment that, sir, take this number. Suppose I take a number 572 457, 572 and I take 457. Can we take one more number, 572 457, and let's take a number 612. 612. My point is to add this number. Okay, I'll erase these rules. I hope you are getting the rules. Okay, so I'll erase this. So I'll erase this rule. I will request all of you to share the session. Okay, what we are doing here is very, very important. Again, I'm saying, everyone, my methods are practically applied in a problem solving approach. These are not the tricks which is applied to a particular problem. These tricks are those tricks which you can apply in any of the problems, right? In any of the problem. The thing is that if you have that ability, of applying this kind of a problem, like this kind of a technique in problem solving, then that's a good part. If you don't have, believe me, have a chit chat with me, let's talk what is the problem, then I can make you understand in a very good way, right? So let's have come this. As I said, go from left to right. Now see, 6 plus 4 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 5, 15, correct? So write down 15 here. No worries, write down 15 here. Just wait and write down 15 here. Now 7 plus 8 and plus 5, 13. Now see, if you write 13, 13 comes what? 13 comes like 10 plus 3, correct? Now add this number to previous one. As I second rule said, now add this number to the previous. So if you add this one to this one, this becomes again 15 becomes 16, correct? So 15 becomes 16. I hope you are getting my point. 15 becomes 16. Now the question comes. This 3 would be here because here is a 16. Then 3 is carried now. Then 3 would be here. So write down 3 here. Just write down here. Okay. Just write down 3 here. So you have written 3 here. Just wait, guys. This is not the number which I am using it. This is the number which I am using right now. This is the number 16. The number which I am using right now is 16 as I have colored with a green. Correct. Now this is what? 7 plus 2 and plus 2. 7 plus 4 is 11. Again what will happen? Again 11 comes. So for 11, okay, let me change the marker. For 11, you are again getting what? 10 plus 1. If you're getting like 10, switch to other number from left hand side. If you switch to the other number, this 3 was there now. This 3 plus 1 becomes 4, correct? Then write down, erase this 3 from here, write down 4, correct? You have written here 4. And this was like, now the number is 164 and this 1 also. So if you add this number, you will get 1641, correct? If you add this number, you will get 1641. I hope you understood the rule. So if you'll add this number, you will get 1641. This is the method which I am using basically this is called a Vedic maths. This is basically called a Vedic maths. Now I will take a lot of problem and I will be solving right now. Again, I will be giving you a 20 questions also. 20 questions just to solve this. I will be giving you 20 questions just to solve this. Let's not take these problems, because let's take some other problem, the bigger one, so that you can have a this we have done like 562. Come on, see, the number is 562. So I'll write down the number. You can take 3 digit, you can take 4 digit, you can take 5 digit, you can take 2 digit. I am not taking 2 digit because 2 digit is already very easy to solve. Correct now? So let's come. Now see, if I take a number like this one, 562. Now the number is 562, correct? And then the number is 431 and the number is 542. As I said, rule say what? Rule number 1 say add from left to right. What does say? Add from left to right. So I'll go from left to right first thing. So I'll go and add from left to right, and this is what? 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14. So I'll write down 14. Might be this 14 be changed if 10 comes here. Now 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 3 is 13. Now again 13 comes. This we have done right now. I think we have done this now. No, this we have done. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1, 13. So again 13 came. So for 13, this is the sum. We got 13. 13 is what? 10 plus 3. This 10 will switch to other part. This 10 will switch here. If this 10 will switch here, this 14 becomes 15, correct? This 14 becomes 15 now, correct? Now 3 will be adding up here. So you can write down 3 here because 3 is left. You can write down 3 here. Now 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. So my answer is what? 1535. The answer is 1535. This is a second process, but don't go for a traditional way. Don't go in a traditional way, the way you are doing. Don't go in traditional way, the way you are doing. If suppose you are getting my voice, please comment. Everyone, don't do the addition that the way you are doing in the schools, because that will not ultimately help you to qualify the examination or to pass the examination, correct? Lokesh, you are getting this? Lokesh, can you please confirm? I hope you are getting this. This we have done and this we have done right now. Let's take some more examples so that it would be clear to you. Okay. Let me take some more examples. So see, these are the bigger numbers now. That is 214, 324, 517, 513. These are basically a bigger number, right? What we need to do, the rule says what? Let me just make this enlarge so that you would have an idea. So if I make this like, this is my number, correct? I hope this is now visible to you. Suppose I take this number, no? Okay. Now, see everyone, please have a look what I'm doing. First rule says what? Everyone, please listen that what I'm doing. First rule is, the rule number one says what? Add from left to right. Add from left to right. Again saying from left to right. Correct? This is the rule. Let me apply. If you get sum 10, switch 1 to the left hand side. Just switch 1 to the left hand side. Now I'm not explaining that why we are doing it, because this is none of our business. We need to clear the examination, so we need to learn those methods which are applied to solve any problem. Correct? Now please listen what I'm saying, guys. If you have any problem now regarding these things, because I will be guiding you addition, subtraction, multiplication, square root, cube roots, this will help you a lot. Mind my word, if you follow my playlist very carefully, you will learn a lot. Correct? So let's come to the point. This is 5 plus 5, again 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So write down 15 here. No worries, okay? Now this I can do very fastly because I need to make you learn. So that's why I'm writing like slowly, right? Now 15 comes 2 and 2, 4 and 1, 5. No worries. Now 7 plus 3 is what? 10. 10 plus 8 is what? 18. Now again here comes 18. 18 is basically what? 18 is 10 plus 8. Now if 10 comes, switch 1 to other part. So if you take like 1 to this part, this 5 becomes 6 and this here place comes 8. Now this becomes like 1, 5, 6, 8. You can see the answer. The answer is basically 1, 5, 6, 8. I hope everyone is getting this logic. Is this clear? Is this clear? Now I'm not adding in a way in which we were doing in the school times. Correct? In the school times, what we are doing basically, we were adding the number from right to left. But I'm saying you go from left to right. I hope this is clear. Let's take one more example and have a clear concept structure. Okay. So let me show you one more so that you would say that, okay, so this is very nice. So this is the question, right? I hope this is visible. So let me erase this. I hope this get erased. So let me just erase this. So this is my question. Lokesh, can you add this? Lokesh, can you add this number? Clear. Okay. Very good, Rahul. Can you add this number? Come on. The way which I taught you. The way in which I taught you. This is the number, the way in which I taught you. These are the very basic things, guys. If you don't, I would say if you don't understand these things, would not help you a lot. I will be giving you that 10 homework also. It's 312, 432, 537 and 424. Try it fast. And suppose I am saying you can solve any of the problems, right? I'm saying that you can solve any of the problem, whether it should be like 3 digit or 4 digit or 6 digit or 7 digit or 8 digit. You can solve any problem. So now I hope you are solving by your own. If not, let me come to the Question now. Now see, I'll write down the question in a separate way so that it would be clearly visible to you. Now the question is 3, 1, 2, and the question is 4, 3, 2, and the question is 5, 3, 7, and the last one is 4, 2, 4. I think this is a bigger problem, na? We have like 4 numbers, 4 3-digit number, and we are going to add this number, right? First of all, add from left to right, from left to right. So 5 and 4, 5 and 4 9, 9 and 4 13, 13 plus 3 is 16. This should be like very easy. This should be 16 coming, it's fine. Okay, it is coming 16. Okay, write down 16. But might be 16 would be changed. Might be, there's a chances. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. Correct. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 1 9. Correct. So right now I am not getting any carry wala part. Isn't I am getting any carry wala part? No. Isn't I am getting any carry wala part? I hope so I am not getting. This becomes 9. Okay, fine. Now 7 and 4, 11. 11 and 4 is what? Come on. 11 and 4 is 15. Correct. Again the problems comes when it becomes 15. If the moment this becomes 15, get shift 1 over this side. Get shift 1 towards the left hand side. If you get shift 1 towards the left hand side, plus 1 here, this becomes 10. Now of 10, this would be 0, na? This now 9 becomes 0, and this 1 will go here, and 16 becomes 17. Correct. So my answer would be what? 1705. Is it right? My answer would be 1705. I hope you are getting this. This is just a easy process which Vedic math says. This is just a easy process which Vedic math says. Correct? This is how we apply a Vedic maths. This is how we apply a Vedic maths. Correct? Now you can take any of the number and you can solve. Let me take one more example so that it might be clear to you. See, these numbers are very easy, so I would not solve these number. Let me solve this. Always add from left to right. So this becomes 2 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 3, 8, and 9 plus 2, 11. Mistaken? 11 is what? 10 plus 1. So again you will shift 1 here. So this becomes 391. 391. You can check yourself. This becomes 391. Is it right? See, every method I am guiding you that I am breaking that number. I am breaking this number and then I am making you solve. Correct now? Please confirm. I hope this is clear. Now let's solve some of the other problem. Let me solve one more problem so it might get clear to you. Let me solve one more problem. I hope you understood this. So see, we don't look these methods because we don't know ability. We don't know importance of Vedic maths. So that's why I thought to make you understand. Again, 9 plus 1, 10, 6, 16 plus 4, 20, and plus 5. This is 25. This much command you all should have. This much command you all should have. Correct now? This is like 25. Come on, say yes or no, everyone. I hope so. 25. Okay, fine. This is 5. This is 5, 10. This is 12. Again, this is 12. So you need to break this number. What times? 10 plus 2. So here the number would be 2. So cut this and shift 1 here. This becomes 26. So right now your number is 262. Correct? Now 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1 5. So your number is basically 2625. Done. Done. This is the way in which, see, basically what I'm doing now. Basically we are solving a problem through Vedic maths. Now you can join my Telegram. As I said earlier, you can have a look to my Telegram because I will be giving you the 40 questions, and the way of solving these questions through Vedic maths is very, very important. Guys, if you apply this method, again, these methods are applied in practical problem solving. So if you use it like practically to solve a problem, this will help you a lot. Everyone, today we're gonna discuss about, as I said, this is multiplication trick. So today we'll do like 3 things. Keep in mind, today we'll do 3 things. First is we'll do multiplication trick. Okay, if anybody can listen me, can you please confirm? Then multiplication of 2-digit number with single digit. Like how this numbers are being get multiplied, we'll see that multiplication of 2-digit number with a single digit and multiplication of 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. First of all, many of the students have a doubt, what is multiplication trick? How can we write a table? See, suppose guys, there are two things which I'll be discussing right now. First is the things which you apply in a practical life. First is that the things which you apply in the practical life. Suppose try to understand that what I'm saying. Suppose I teach you like any trick. Okay. And suppose this trick you don't apply in the examination or in the paper solving. You don't apply. Now, if you don't apply the trick, this is like wastage, na? If you don't apply, this trick is just to make you like, just to say me, wow, sir, you know these things. Hi, good morning, Pooja. How are you? You will say that if you will not apply the trick, na, you will say that, okay, sir, wow, this I know. So I think that this is a waste of time. Please don't go for it. The trick which you learn and which you apply in the problem solving approach. What I'm saying, you apply this in the problem solving approach. Try to understand my point. Problem solving approach. Now, problem solving approach. Correct. First is you don't apply that trick. Second is you go for problem solving approach. Two things are there. Always go for a trick which is you can apply in the practical life. If you don't apply the trick in the practical life, what is the need of that? There's a wastage of time. Okay, just your mind is saying, okay, this happens, then you like scream, okay, I know these things and blah blah, but that doesn't affect you much in the problem solving approach. So I will make you understand. Somehow you have seen that in the thumbnail also. I have written way to learn tables from 1 to 100. There are a lot of things which you can do. Like there are a lot of things. Hi, Karathi. Yeah, Sangeeta, how are you? How are you? I guess you are fine. Sangeeta, hi. Yes, I know you. I hope this session will help you, Sangeeta. So the table, I always say how to mug up the table from 1 to 100. But for this, I say student at least cover the table. I always say the aspirant at least cover the table. I would say from 1 to 20. You should remember this. Okay. But there are a lot of tricks, right? A lot of tricks to write down the table. First, I'll show you. Suppose there is a number called 37, and if you want to write the table of 37, write the table of 3. 3 2s are 6, like 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, then 24, then 27, and then 30, right? Then write down the table of 7 here. Now 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 21, 28. 7 I hope this is clear. 7 5 are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7 are 49, then 56, then I would like to write 63, and then 70, right? These are basically tables of 7 and 3. Now these things you need to know. 56, 63, 70, right? Now if you want to write the table of 37, what I'm saying that club these number then. Club this number. Matlab club this number 6 plus 14, 9 plus 21, 12 plus 38, 15 plus 35, 18 plus 42, 21 plus 49, 24 plus 56, 27 plus 63, and 30 plus 7. Now, if you'll add up now addition is also a criteria, as I taught you in the yesterday class. Hi, good morning, Devanand, how are you? Hi, good morning, Karathi, how are you guys? Now, as I said, addition is a criteria, like there's a way of adding the things. So you can add like what? This is 10 plus 6, 74. This is coming 74. I have made you solve the addition tricks in my previous classes. Go and watch this. This becomes 9, 10, 11. This becomes 22, 1, 1. Correct? This becomes 12 plus 2 is 14. 14, 8. Correct? This becomes 15 plus 3, 18. 18, 5. This becomes 18 plus 4, 22. 2, 2, 2. Correct? This becomes 20. I would say 25. 2, 4, 2, 5, 9. Correct? This becomes, as so on and so forth. Basically, I am normally doing the addition, right? But the point is that, as I show you now, I can become big while making you understand this. See, I know the table of 37, and these are the criteria of writing the table of 37, but this is not practically helping you in problem solving approach. My point is that if anything I taught you, if anything I'll teach you, that should help you in the problem solving approach. If this is only making you like, okay sir, I know the table of 42, I know the table of 57 and blah blah, then this is just for a viewing purpose. Now I'm just guiding you and you are writing it. Correct? Hi, good morning. I hope you are getting my point. So these things are not important for a problem solving approach, although this is a knowledge that you should know. Means this is the knowledge that you should know. Suppose if I ask someone to write down the table of 54, suppose if I ask someone to write down the table of 54, again what he'll do, 54 table is what? Write down the table of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, then 40, then 45, right? Table of 5, then write down 4, 8, 16, 20, 4, 8, 12, 16, sorry. You will write down table 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. But see, I can also write the table. Now you need to plug this up, add this 10 plus 8, add this 15 plus 12, 20 plus 16, 25 plus 20, 30 plus 24, 35 plus 28, 40 plus 32, and so on and so forth. Add this all things, right? Now the point is that this will not help you in the problem solving approach. Now 10 plus 8, this becomes what? 108. This cannot becomes like this will become like 108. Addition is also a way which I taught you. 15 plus 1 is 16. This is 162. 20 plus 1 is 21. This is 216. 25 plus 2 is 25. 26, 27. This is 270. This is 30 plus 2 is 32. This is 324. This is 35 plus 2. 35, 36, 30, 37, 37, 8. This is like 40 plus 3, 43, 4, 3, 2, and so on and so forth. But the point is that through this method you are knowing the table, but this will not help you. Like you can have this trick in your mind, ki, okay, sir has taught me the trick and I know everything. But again, I would say this thing will not help you in the problem solving approach, although you can know. Now you can write any table from 1 to 100, as I say, na, any table from 1 to 100 while applying this trick, right? But again, I would say this trick is very catchy in terms of seeing, very catchy in terms of writing, but this trick is not going to practically help you in the problem solving approach. Now let's come that what should help you in the problem solving approach. The point is that you will not get such numbers, especially in the exams like banking examination or in any of the examination. If I talk about, let's say if I talk about any of the examination, suppose let's take a number 45 multiplied with, let's take a number 45 multiplied with 6, correct? Now see, these are the small methods which will help you a lot. First, what do? First multiply this 6 with 4. Don't go for this method 45 multiply 6, right? I don't prefer this method. Hello Riyanshu. I don't prefer this method 45 into 6. What I do? I go for 6 into 4 is nothing but 24, correct? Then 6 5s is what? Just go for 6 5s is what? 30. Correct? Now I hope you are getting. 24 plus 3 is how much? 24 plus 3 is how much? 27. Isn't everyone is getting my point? This is 24 plus 3 is what? 27. This is 270. Now this is the process which I am teaching you right now. This is the process which you should know. This is the process, and any number which is 2-digit number multiplied by single digit can be done through this way. Okay, there is one. Good morning Sangeeta, how are you? I'm just watching you right now. Good morning Sangeeta. I hope you guys are getting. Can we go for some other number? Can we go for some other number? Try to get my point. Normal, this is not a trick. This is not a trick. This is the practically applying up, means you can apply this practically in the problem solving. Let's take some other number like 84 into 4. Let's take some other number. like 84 multiplied by 4. Now again what I said, Go for a method which I guide you. 8 fours are 32, write down 32 here. 4 fours are 16, write down 16 here. You need to add 32 plus 16. 32 plus 1 is 33. 33 6. This will becomes what? 33 6. Now I'm not. I guess now it's fine. Okay, thanks. Actually, there was like network glitch. So am I audible now? Please, can you please confirm? Am I audible? Am I audible now? नेटवर्क इशू ठीक हो गया यार. अब नेटवर्क में थोड़ी चला जाऊंगा मैं. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. चलो ठीक है. So let's come to the point where I was like that. Okay, somebody told said, can you please explain one more time? So I'm just explaining you. What we're doing here, we are applying the 2-digit number multiplied with the single digit, correct? What we are doing here is 2-digit number multiplying with the single digit. First is the second example I have taken like 84 multiplied with 4. So 84 multiplied with 4, what I need to do, this multiply this 4 with a 8, which is 32, and then 4 4s are 16, correct? Please watch my yesterday videos because there I made you solve, I made you understand that how to add the number. 32 plus this one becomes 33 and this 6 comes here, right? Let's take one more example so that it would be clear to you. So let's take example like 78 into 8. If I take like example of 78 into 8, step number 1, multiply this 8 with 7. I hope this much you know, right? Multiply this 8 with 7, this comes like 56, and this is 8 8s are 64, correct now? I hope this is clear. Now 56 adding 6 will give you what? 62. 56 adding 6, this 56 adding 6 will give you 62, correct? And write down this 4, this is your answer. I hope now this is clear. Please confirm. Yeah, I'm just going for a game. Fine, I'll take some more example, do not worry about it. I hope this makes sense. I hope this makes sense now. Please confirm. Can I take one more example, Sangeeta? Okay, let's take example like 69 into 3. Let's take one more example, which is 69 multiplied with 3. How can we go? 6 3s are 18 plus 27. Now 18 plus 2 is what? Just think like that. 18 plus 2 is what? 20. 18 plus this 2 is what? 20. And write down this 7 as it is, which is 2, not 7. Fine. Fine. Let's take one more example. 36. Let's take 58 into 4. Let's take one more example. 58 into 4. If I take like 58 multiplied with 4, that would be what? Come on, solve. Come on, guys, solve fast. This is what? 5 4s are 20. Write down 20 here. 8 4s are 32 plus 32. Now 20 plus 3 is 23. And this 232. Now this is as fast as the calculator, right? And what I prefer in life also, I prefer multiplying the things in such a way only, right? I prefer multiplying the things in such a way. You can take like any number, but the condition is that this number is 2-digit and this number is single digit. So first of all, the case is that multiplying 2-digit with a single digit number, correct? Multiplying 2-digit with a single digit. Slowly we'll multiply 2-digit multiplied with 2-digit, then 3-digit multiplied with 3-digit, then 4-digit multiplied with 4-digit, correct? So these are the basics that you all should know before going for solving a maths, and these are like very practical. See, preferably guys, I use these things in a problem solving approach. So I guess you will also use from today in a problem solving approach. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, fine. Now let's understand two more things. How your calculation becomes easy. Let's see. See, there are two things to understand. Basically, if any number, like if I say 258 is multiplied with 5, what is the thinking process that you should know when you multiply such numbers? So I will not multiply this 258 into 5. Rather than I'll do that 258 multiplied with 10 by 2, correct? Now 10 by 2 is also 5. So this becomes very easy for me in solving. And this is like multiplying again 3-digit number with a 5 is way I would say is a time taking approach as respect to this one. So you can also think in such a manner that when a number is multiplied with 5, why not we should like multiply by 10 and divide by 2. Same goes for what? Same goes for other number, like if any number should be multiplied with 25. Suppose if I take any number multiplied with 25, let's say 6218 multiplied with 25. Why would I multiply this number with 25? I'll go for 6218 multiplied with 1000 by 4. Correct? I don't want answer. Try to think. See, the purpose of this session is that you should think in a manner when you're solving the problem. Point is, if you don't know, just go for that. Okay, we can also think 25 in terms of multiplying 100 and dividing by 4. Correct. So you can also think in such a way. I hope this is clear. Now, if I write like, suppose if I having multiplying the number with 125, try to think in your mind that which number should be coming. You can divide this, like I can say this is like 1000 divided by 8. Correct, now 1000 divided by 8 would give me 125. Rather than multiplying like 6218 multiplying with 125, it's way easier if I go for 6218 multiplying with 1000 and dividing by 8. I hope this is clear to everyone. Please say, is it clear, guys? Make sense to everybody? Is this making sense to everyone? Please confirm. Then we'll approach to the next part. So can you please confirm in the comment section that it is clear to you? Is it clear? Clear, na? So these are the things which you keep in mind. Let's come to the other part. See, this 2. So see, this 2-digit number multiplied with a single digit, I will be giving you like 50 problems. As I said, I will be giving you the 50 problems. 50 problems. Okay, 50 problems. Try solving that problems when a 2-digit number multiplied with a single digit. Only you need to solve the 50 problems. I will give you that where you can join my Telegram for that. Today in the evening I will be giving you that. So keep in mind. Okay. Now let's come to the part how the 2-digit number is getting multiplied with 2-digit number. So let's come here. So how the 2-digit number is getting multiplied with the 2-digit number, correct? Now I have like many a process. I have like lot of methods are there. Lot of methods are there. But the catchy one is what? Suppose if I write like 24 multiplied with, I'm just giving you the another way of thinking. 24 multiplied with 36. Now what we do in our childhood, we go for 24 multiplied with 36, correct? Now we just doing like that 18 and blah 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 karke answer, that means the process we are getting the answer. Sorry, I'm speaking Hindi, I should not. So what I need to do here, let's see. Now 4 3s are 12, write down 12, and this is 3 2s are 6. Give this one to this becomes 72, correct? This process is clear. Come on guys, say, is this process clear? Now see, this is how if you make like fastly now, this is the process which I'm doing here only. Why I'm giving you this? I'm not giving you trick because I also guided some of you the trick, but this is the process which you do in your daily life while multiplying this number. So that's why I'm guiding you. 4 3s are 12, 12, 3 2s are 6, 6. Giving this, see, this 12 is what? This 12 is basically 10 plus 2. So I'm giving this 1 to with this 6. This is 72. This becomes like 72. Is this clear? Is this another method? Yeah, you can say this is another method. There is a lot of methods, Sangeeta, but These are the methods which you can apply in the daily life. So I'm giving you that. Is it fine? Fine. Can I proceed? You got this? How this 72 came? How this 72 came? This 72. This 72. Okay, then fine. Now see another way of thinking. Now 6 is left. Now 3 is multiplied with both the numbers. Now let's come to this one. 6 4s are 24. Sorry, my bad. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24 and 6 2s are 12. Correct now? Now see, this 2 plus this 12 becomes 14 and this becomes 144. Is this clear to everyone? I'm just writing in slow process. Just slow process. I'm writing this in slow process. How this 144 came, how this 72 came. I'm just writing in such a way because you should get the algorithm. You should get this algorithm that how it is happening. I hope this is clear. This is how came 72. This is how came 14. Now the next step is the answer. Correct. Now 72 plus 14 is 72 plus 10 is what? 80. 72 plus 10 is what? 80. 72 plus 10 is 80. 72 2 plus 4 is 86. Correct? Correct? Is it clear? Clear? 72 plus 10 is 82. 72 plus 4 is 86. Now this is 864 is my answer. This is how I play with the numbers. Please confirm. Please confirm. Is this clear? Another way of multiplying the 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. Another way of multiplying, not applying. So what basically I am doing, right? Now, if I would do this process in a fast process and fastly, that is 24 into 36, I would write this becomes what? 72 and this becomes what? 44 and this becomes 864. This is my answer. 1 step, 2 step, answer. Is this clear? Is this clear? Please confirm. I hope you're getting the answers, guys. Fine. Fine. Any problem in this? Let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. Suppose I take a number like 42. Let's take another number like 42 multiplied with 28. Correct? Slow process. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8 plus 8 2s are 16 and 8 4s are 32. Correct? First of all, what it was mentioned, I have written. Now, is it right now, everyone? Make sense or not? Now this whole number becomes what? Now see, if you want to understand in a clear way, you can also write 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32 plus 16. Now 16 will give 1, this 1 will go here, becomes 33 and this becomes 6. This part should be clear to all of you first, then plus 84, correct? Now, next step is that 84 plus 33 is what? Just this step. 84 plus 33 is what? 8, 9, 10, 11. It is 1176 is my answer. Clear? Is this fine? Is this fine? Please confirm. I would request all of you to please share this session to your friends, those who want to learn some tricks. Sangeeta, is it clear? Okay, Rahul. Tanu Yadav, is it clear to you? Kartikeya Sora, is it clear to you? Please confirm. It's clear, then it's fine. No worries. Okay. Yes, why not? I can say you one more. Let's take another 42 and 28 now. 42 multiplied with. See, I'm just writing it in a slow manner. Okay. Sangeeta, I'm just writing it slow manner. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Fine. This is clear. Okay. Let's come to this. Now 8 4s are 32. Write down 32 here, right? Now 8 2s are 16. Write down 16. But the point is that this number should be also get added, na? This number should also be get added. So this I can write like 10 plus 6, na? So this 10 will go here, 1 will go here, 1 will go here, then 1 will go here, then this will become 33, and write down 6 as it is. Now the point is we need to add this number 84 plus 336, which is 1176. Clear? Please confirm, is it clear? Let's take one more example. I'll give you like 50 questions. 68 into 4. Can you solve this? 68 into 4. 6 4s are 24. This is 32. Now this 24 plus 3 is 27. 2. Easy. Now let's take one more example. 39 into 9. 9 3s are 27. 9 9s are 81. 27 plus 8. 3, 5, 35, 3, 5, 1. This is how the calculation works. So, this is the main purpose of today's session as I'm guiding you right now. Yesterday, what we did about the addition process, that how I add a number. See, these are the methods which I use in my daily life while solving the problems. And today I've just made you solve that. You can also think in such a manner. There's no need of like going for a method which you followed in your childhood days. There's no use of it. So my point is if you are studying with me, you should know these tricks, because these tricks will help you in a practical life as well and a problem solving approach as well. Correct. So I hope this will be helpful for you. If yes, then do comment that how this video is helping your mindset in solving the maths problem. Tomorrow I will be coming up with the square and cube roots, again with a process which is basically applied in the practical life, and also with a problem solving approach. So I hope you really like the session. So basically the point of today's discussion is that what we have done, we will revise. I am fine. So see, the discussion is around the topic which we are doing, like multiplication. Then today we'll be discussing like 2-digit number multiplied with 2-digit number. Then we'll learn something trick, then 2-digit number multiplied with the single-digit number, then addition, and then we'll do the revision, right? So these are the discussions of today's class. So one by one, see, the point is that one by one we learn each and everything. Not learn, I would say, we will like practice one or other, so that many of you should have like you should like have this back of your mind. This should run, okay? So please, everyone should be live there. So guys, first of all, I'll just revise some of the things which we have done in the previous class. For example, I have also taught you the addition process. I think Sangeeta, you are also present in that class. I think you were not present in that class. We were doing like we are doing like addition. What is the Vedic maths rule for addition? Just I'm revising it. Vedic maths rule for addition. What was that? That simple point was that start from the left towards right. So go from left to right. I was just writing this. Let's take one example and have a discussion. The number is 521. If the number is 521, then the second number is 721, and suppose the other number would be let's take 431, 721, let's take 952, let's take one more number 952, and let's take one more number 123, let's take one more number, it's 431, right? 431. Suppose I want to add this number. What I can now do, start from the left hand side. Now 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 7 is 20, and 20 plus 5 is 25. Write down 25 here, right? Then 5, and this 5 becomes 10, and this becomes 12. Give, if this is becoming like 12, give 1 to the left hand side. This 25 becomes 26, and this will becomes like 2. Okay, then 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down 5 here. So my basically answer would be 2625. My answer would be 2625. I hope you got this method also, everybody. Come on, comment. You all got this method now? I think we are revising this. Everyone got this method? Please confirm. Sangeeta and everyone, can you please confirm you got this method? Okay, so let's now go for some other tricks. We also did multiplication of single digit. We also did multiplication of single digit. Suppose we are multiplying like 68 into 4. Suppose we are multiplying 68 into 4. What I've guided you, 8 4s are 32. Write down 32, and this is what, 24. 32 plus 24. So you will write like 32 plus 24. Now the point is that this 24 plus 3 becomes 27, and this becomes 272. Is it right? Am I audible? Is it right? Everyone is getting this trick? Let's take one more example. 39 into 9. Let's take one more example. 39 multiplied with 9. What is the process? 9 9s are 81, and 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 8. 27 plus 3 is 30, plus 5 is 35. And this is like 351 is my answer. Correct now? So this was like 2-digit number multiplied with the single digit number. Correct? Yes, this we did now. 2-digit number getting multiplied by the single digit number. Okay. Now let's come to the today's class. Okay, this was the revision. I hope you got the trick. I have shared the PDF as well. Everyone, I have shared the PDF also, so you can go through the PDF, solve the problem through this method. You will have a practice. Is it right? I would request all of you to join the session. Let me just. Okay, fine. Fine. Jigesh, is it right? I hope you are getting Jigesh. Now let's come to the today's discussion, which is 2-digit number getting multiplied with the 2-digit number. I although explained this process in the previous class, I'll also explain the two methods. Okay, I'll also explain the two methods. Now method number 1, and you should follow which way method you want to follow. Method number 2, and then I'll go for method number 1. See, don't get confused that what kind of methods you should apply. Always go for things that will help you applying these concepts practically. Correct? Suppose I take a number 64 multiplied with 32. Suppose this number I have taken. Correct? Now the point is that what we did in the previous class, we are just multiplying the digits. Now 3 4s is 12. Okay, and 6 3s are 18. 1 carry, this becomes 192. Correct? This becomes 192. Put 1 0 over here. Put 1 0 over here. Correct now? I hope you are getting this point. I think this is clear. Now 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 2s are 8, and 6 2s are 12. Okay, so 4 2s are 8. This is coming now, everyone. 64 into 32. Is it clear? Is this clear till now? Now suppose wait a minute. Suppose I take another number. 64 multiplied by 39. That will be good. If I multiply like 64 multiplied with 39, okay? Or you can go for 36 also. You can go for 36 also, right? Now if I go for 36, now 6 4s are 12, 2, 6 3s are 18, 19. Put 1 0 over here. Just put 1 0. 3 multiplied with 4, 3 multiplied by 6. Okay. 6 4s are 24. Remember, 6 4s are 24. Put 4 over here. And 6 6s are 36. 24, 36 becomes 38. So this will becomes 38. Just add this number. 4, 10, 3, 1. So that would be, sorry, 2 3 2 3 0 4. Is it right? I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. Is this clear? Is this clear? Please confirm. Can I take like there would be also method number 2 of multiplying 2-digit number. Suppose I take a number like 38 multiplied by 82. 38 multiplied with 82. Now this is the second method. Okay, this was the second method. This is the first method, right? 8 8s are 64. Okay, write down 64. 64 4 6 carry. Then 8 3s are 24. Okay. 24, 64. This becomes how much? 30. 3 not 4. Now 8 2s are 16. Correct. 16 6 1 carry, and then 3 2s are 6 6 7. Right. Now 304 plus 7 is what? 3116 is my answer. This is the another method. This is the another method. Which method you like, you can just have in. You can just apply that. Let me take one more example for a clear vision. Let me take one more example. Suppose I take a number 49 into 57. 49 multiplied with 57. Let's solve with the method 1. If I solve this with the method 1, what is the method 1? Multiply this number like 5 9s are 45. 45 5 carry 4. 9 4s are 5 4s are 20. This will become like 24. Put 0 over here. Correct? I hope this is clear. Till now it is clear now. Now 9 7s are 63. Put 3 here. 6 carry. 7 4s are 28 plus. Then put 34 here. Right? And add this number. 3 9 7 2 is the answer. Correct or not? 3 9 7 2 is the answer. Correct or not? Can you please confirm, is this clear? Is this clear, Jikesh, Sangeeta, everyone? Jikesh, Sangeeta, is this clear? Let's take one more example for 2-digit number. Let's take method number 2, which is again, you can apply any of the method in solving the problem. Let's take another method, which is, I would say, 93 multiplied by 64. Now if I take number 93 multiplied by 64, again try to. 6 3s are 18, carry 1, 6 are 54. 54 plus 1 becomes 55. Correct now? This becomes 55. Correct? Is it right? Is it right? Everyone is getting? See, 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 9 6 are is what? 54 na? 54, then 1 will be carry. I hope you are getting my point. Now second, 4 3s are 12, 2, 1, 4, 9 4s are 36 and 37. Now you add this number 37 to this number and then 2 would be at the last. This would be my answer, correct? Okay, fine. If you're getting it, then it's okay. If you're getting this, then it's okay. Is it anybody is getting? Anybody is having problem? Let's take one more example. Okay, let's take one more. We'll do like lot of problems here. Let's take 39 into 87. Let's take 39 multiplied with 87. Now what I can do? Step number 1. Step number 1 is what? Step number 1, follow what? This is basically 9 8s are, come on, 64, correct? So this will become what? Come on. First you should go for this number, then this number should be multiplied with this number. Simple. So this will become 3120, correct now? Now 9 7s are, now what will happen? Now this number will get multiplied with this number and this number will get multiplied with this number. Nothing. Add to that, which is 273, which is 273. Is it right? Add this all number. You'll get the answer, correct? I hope this makes sense. I hope this makes sense. Sangeeta, is it making sense to you? Please confirm. Let's take some other number. Let's take some other number. For example, let's take some other number. Let's take any number like 62 multiplied with 39. Okay. First of all, first process is what? Now first process is 3 2s are 6, correct? 6 3s are 18. Written, no worries, write down 0 over here, correct? 9 2s are 18, 8, 1 carry, 9 6 are 54, becomes 55, correct? Then 8, 1, 8, 13, 14, this is 2418. You can also multiply with yourself and check the answer. So these are like process which you need to follow. These are the process which you need to follow. There are many rules, I would say, or trick, I would say, in basically in going for calculation skills. Many means there are a lot of processes are there. Correct? 24188 is the correct answer. Okay, fine now. Now let's take one more example. Let's take only we are doing like 2-digit multiplied with 2-digit only, right? Let's take one more example. For example, let's take 32 multiplied with 42, correct? Now first of all, 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12, correct? Plus and this is a method number 2 I am saying, okay? Now 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 2 3s are 6, correct now? Now 128 plus 6 is how much? 128 plus 2 is 130 plus then this will like 1344 is the answer. You can also calculate by yourself. I'll give one once again, no worries. This is another method of finding out. Let's take one more example and then learn. Okay, let's take one more example. For example, let's take like can we take some other example? Any number? Let's take 63 multiplied by 37. I'm just solving this by method number 2, which we are discussing today. Okay, method number 2. What we will do? 3 3s are 9 first of all, and 3 6s are 18, right? 189 we have written. Put 1 0 here. Then 7 3s are 21, 1 2 carry. 7 6s are 42, 43, 44. Okay, 44. Then write down 44 here. Correct. This is 1. 9 4 13, 9 plus 4 13, then this is 8 plus 4 is 12, then again 13, then 2 3 3 1. This is another way of solving. We can also solve this question with another method, which is 63 multiplied with 37, which is what? Again 3 3s are 9 and 6 3s are 18 plus 7 3s are 21, 1 2 carry, and 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42, 42, 43, 44. Now 189 plus 44. This you need to know. This you need to do. 189 plus 44 is 233. 2331 is again the answer. So you should differentiate these two methods. There are two methods of solving. Please confirm, is this clear? Sangeeta? Is this clear to you? Like I have explained both the methods, but this is only for the 2-digit number getting multiplied with the 2-digit number. Okay, now see, I think you should become expert in multiplying the 2-digit number with 2-digit number, and also 2-digit number getting multiplied with the single digit number. This you should know. Now let's come to the other part. See, multiplication, in multiplication there are some rules also, in tricks. So in multiplication there are a lot of tricks are there. While doing the multiplication there are a lot of tricks. Multiplication, there are a lot of tricks. There are, I would say, a lot of trick. How to tackle with that trick, means how this trick will help me. So basically this trick helps you in solving a problem in very fast way. Suppose if I write 16 into 4, correct? If I write 166 into 4, like you can say any number, you can say any number. If I write 1666 into 4, correct? These are the numbers I am writing. The answer of this question would be 64, this 6 and this 4. The answer of this number would be 664, means this 66 and this 4, correct? The answer of this question will be 664, means this 666 and then 14, correct? These are like tricks that you should keep in mind, I would say so, correct? Now the same thing is applies when you multiply any number with the 19. So suppose if I write 19 into 5, how it comes 95? It comes because 9 comes here and 5 comes here, correct? Now if 199 multiplied with 5, again 2 9 and then 5, correct? If 1999 getting multiplied with 5 will give me 39 multiplied with 5. These are the small tricks, okay, which helps you in solving the problem in very fast way. I hope this is clear. Yes, I'll say right now. I'll say right now. Just wait, Sangeeta, I'll say right now, okay? How to add. Please note it down. These are the special cases. These are the special cases, I would say. Special cases where a number multiplied with 16 into 4 or 166 into 4 or 166 into 4 give me 6664, give me 664, give me single 64, and as goes for 19 also. I hope this makes sense. Correct? Everyone clear? No worries. Okay, now there are also some tricks which is like let's 11. 11 I would say is very popular number. 11 is very popular number. So if you say 11 into 11, just add these number. 1 plus 1 becomes 2, correct? Write down in between, write down 1 here, right? This you need to do. Suppose you write 11 into 12. What you do, just add this number 3 and put 1 here. Correct? You can just figure it out. Now suppose if I say, if there would be number like 11 multiplied with, suppose there would be any number 11 multiplied with 524. 524. Okay. Now you need to do what? You need to add from right to left. Okay. Write down this 4 here. 4 plus 2 becomes 6. 2 plus 5 becomes 7, and write down 5 here. So basically your answer is 5, 7, 6, 4. I hope you are getting. I hope you guys are getting. This is your answer. What I am doing now, I am just adding from left hand side, right hand side. Adding from right hand side, adding from this side. Adding from I would say right to left. These are the important things which you should keep in mind. Again, I would say. Okay, now let's take one more example. This is 11. Let's take one more example of 11. If 11 is getting multiplied with, suppose 8249. 8249. What you need to do? You just write down 9 here. 9 plus 4 is 13, write down 3 here, 1 carry. 4 plus 2 is 6, then 1 carry 7. 8 plus 2 is 10, then 0. And 8 plus 1 is 9, then write 9 would be here. So your answer is this one. 90739. Is it right? I hope this makes sense. Sangeeta, you finding it useful or not? As I always say, small things is adding adds to your calculation skills, right? Small things adds to your calculation skills. So every step is important, everyone. Every step is important, correct? Now, if you'll ask me that lot of tricks are there, what is the best way of solving? Now let's come to it. As I said, the best way of solving the addition, as asked by Sangeeta, addition is what? Always add from left hand side. Add from left. How you can add from left? 5 plus 5, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 2, 15. Write down 15. 1, 2, 3, 2 to 4, 8, 5. Okay. Now 7, 3, 10, 18. Write down 8. Give this 1 to this. This will become, now this will become 1, 5, 6, 8 is my answer. Trying playing with the number. Always try to play with the number. Always. Suppose I take another number in multiplying, like 27. Suppose I take another number like 27 multiplied with 32. 27 multiplied with 32. Now what you need to do? 7 3s are 21. 21. And this is like 3 2s are 6. Now this will become, write down as it is, okay? 621. Put 1 0 here, over here. Now you need to check the point. This 21 2 will be going here. This becomes 8 0 1. Correct? You can also think like that. You can also think like that. Okay. Now if you follow the earlier process, see there are two methods. Now that's why I've made you solve. The two processes are very important. Very important. Like 7 3s are 21, 1 2 carry, 7 3s are 3 2s are 6, 7 8. This will become like 81 plus 7 2s are 14, 14, 4 carry 1 and 2 2s are 4 8 5. Now 81 plus 5 is how much? This is like 86 4 1864. Is it correct? Is it correct answer? Come on, say. Come on, say, Sangeeta. Is it correct answer? 864 is the correct answer. 864 is the correct answer. I hope you got this. So this is the again method which we did yesterday. Now let's solve with 27 multiplied with 32. The method which I have guided you. This will become like 810 and this will become like 54. Again your answer will be 864. Done. So both the methods, method number 1 as well as method number 2 is giving you the same answer as far as your concepts are clear. As far as your concepts are clear. So I would request that try solving the conceptual part as well. So try to stick to that very part which are very important in like solving the conceptual part. So this is basically conceptual part. This is basically conceptual part. I have also given the sheet in my Telegram. So once you get the Telegram, please follow that so that many of you should get a proper link and everything. Correct? Now the discussion of today's class was what? Let's have a look. The discussion of today's class was what? So if you will see, the discussion of today's class was 2-digit number getting multiplied with 2-digit number, done. Trick we have done. 2-digit with single digit we have done. Addition we have done. Correct? So I will not take like many hours in solving this. Just you need to prepare the notes where I am just guiding you how to follow, how to multiply the things. And these are the things which are practically possible. So guys, basically we done like multiplication of a 2-digit number with a single digit, as I have discussed in my previous class, that 2-digit number getting multiplied with the single digit number. Then we did 2-digit number getting multiplied with the 2-digit number, and I have shared some of the PDFs as well. So I'm fine, Sangeeta. I hope you are also fine. I've shared the PDF also, and I think that you all have solved the PDF. So I would say I'm fine, thank you, sir. Okay, Sangeeta, can you please call other aspirants or can you text in the Telegram so that they could join me? Can you please say that they could join me? Secondly, today's discussion is about the 3-digit number getting multiplied with the 3-digit number. And I would say that this is a very practical way of multiplying. I would not give you the trick, but this is very practical way of multiplying the things. Practical way, I would say, okay? Then secondly, we'll do the square tricks, doing a square of numbers from 25 to 75 and from 75 to 125, correct? So, today's learning will be around this topic only. What we did in the previous classes, as I said, do not forget what we did. We did 2-digit number getting multiplied with that single-digit number, and then we did 2-digit number getting multiplied with that 2-digit number, and many things we did. And 2-digit number getting multiplied by 2-digit number, we solved with the method number 1, and then we solved this with the method number 2 as well, correct now? And I've told you that which method you like, you can follow that very method, correct? Now, today's discussion is around the 3-digit number getting multiplied with the 3-digit number, correct? Now, today is that 3-digit number is getting multiplied with the 3-digit number. Now, guys, this is very important and very practically used approach. So, everyone should follow the approach which I will be guiding you right now. I hope, is this clear? Should I start the class? I think many of you have joined me. Should I start the class? Come on, say. Should I start the class? Sangeeta, are you ready for the question now? I guess you are ready for the question now. Okay. So basically number is 342. Let's take any number. Let's take first number, which is 342 getting multiplied with, suppose I would say 256. Okay, 256. Now we need to multiply in this manner. First number should be 2 multiplied, then 5 should be multiplied, and then 6 should be multiplied. What I am saying, first you need to multiply this number, then multiply this number, and then multiply this number. Okay, I hope this is being clear to all of you. Now first thing is that multiply this number, 2 2s are, write down 4 over here, right? Just what it is mentioned, write down there. Then 2, then 2 will come here, and then 2 4s are, write down 8 here. Now 2 3s are, now again multiply this number, 2 3s are 6, then write down 6 here. You know that this is unit tens and 100, write down 20 over here, correct? I hope how this came, everybody knows it, correct? I'm solving slowly and slowly how this 68400 came out, correct? Sangeeta, you got this? I hope Sangeeta, you got this, correct? Let's go for step number 2. If I go for step number 2, now this is the turn of this number. 5 2s are 10. Put 0 here. Why? Because 10th digit is this. So I already put 0 here. 5 2s are 10, 0. Carry 1. 5 4s are 20 and 21. 1. Carry 2. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. Write down 17 over here. I hope this is also clear to all of you. Correct? Correct. Now let's go for this 6. 6 2s are 12. Write down, because no 0 is required. This is already a unit place number. 6 2s are 12. 2. Carry 1. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 is what? Basically 5. So 25. Write down 5. Then 2 carry. 6 3s are 18. 19 20. Write down 20 over here. Correct? Add this all number. You need to, lastly, you need to add this number. I hope this makes sense. This is what? This is 2. This is what? This is 5. This is what? This is 5. This is what? 7. 8 8 16. 16 17. 7. 6 7 8. 8 7 5 5 2. I hope you got this. Now, should I explain one more time, or is it clear to all of you? Sangeeta, should I explain this one more time, or is this clear to all of you? I hope this is clear to all of you. Or should I take one more example? Should I take one more example? Let me take one more example and then let me solve you. Let me make you understand. Okay, let me take. One more. Okay. Have you said in the Telegram that everyone should join? Sorry, I have a visibility issue, so I was taking. Okay, let me go for another example, like 428. Let's suppose I take 528. 528 getting multiplied. Suppose 528 is getting multiplied by 374. 374. This is my number, correct? Now start solving it. The way what I told you, the way I told you, 3 should be multiplied. First, this 3 should be multiplied. Slowly we'll do. This 3 should be multiplied. This. Okay. So it will get multiplied. Now, 8 3s are 24. 2 carry 2. Now 3 will come here to this point. Correct now? 3 will come to this point. Correct. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. Then you would write 8 over here. Correct. Now 3 5s are 15. Then write down 15, because this is a 100 place. Put 00 over here. See, this is not a slow process. If you are good at it, you can. This is the best approach of multiplying the things. This is what I'm saying. This is the best approach. Now 7 multiplied, 7 is 8s are 56. Put 0 here, 6 here, and 5 here. 7 2s are 14 plus 14 plus 5. 14 plus 6 is 20, plus 5 would give me 19. Then 9 over here, 1 carry. Now 7 5s are 35. Then it would be like 36. Correct. I hope this is clear to all of you. Last number. Now last number, this 4 will come. 4 multiplied with 8, 32. 32 means 2. 32 means 2. 3 carry. 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11, 1 1. 4 5 4s are 20. Then it is 21. I hope this is clear, Sangeeta. Till now it is clear. Please say 3 6 9. Is it clear? Till now it is clear. Come on. If this much is clear, just add. This is 2. This is 7. This is 9 10 14. This is what? 6 2 8 8 16 17. This is what? 5 3 8 9. And this is what? 1 9 7 4 7 2. Please confirm. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Hello, Muskan. How are you? I hope you got this. Please confirm. Okay, that's nice. Let's take one more example, because we have taken like 2 examples over here. One is this one and other is this one. Let's take one more example and let's try solving with this approach. So this is the last example which I am taking. Then I'll switch up to the next section, which is doing the squares. I would say that I will be giving you the sheets so that you can solve 3-digit number getting multiplied with the 3-digit number. So let's take one more example, which is 627. 627 getting multiplied with suppose 253. Okay, 253. First of all, you need to do what? As I said, always follow the 100-digit first. So 100-digit first means you can go for 7 2s are 14, 4 carry 1, 2 2s are 4 5, 6 2s are 12, 0 00. Put 00. Why? Because this is at the 100 place. Is it right? First step is clear. I guess first step is clear to everyone. That would be 1 2 5 4 000. Let's come for the second. Now if I go for second digit, I would go for 5. 7 5s are 35. Put 0 here. 7 5s are 35. 5 3 carry. 5 2s are 10, 13, 13 3 1 carry. 5 2s are 10, 13 3 1 carry. 6 5s are 30, 31. So write down 31 over here. Correct? I hope 3 1 3 5 0. Is it right? I hope this makes sense. Now comes the last digit, which is 3. If I go for last digit, which is 3, 3 getting multiplied with 7. 7 3s are 21, 1 2 carry, 3 3 2s are 6, 6 7 8 8, 3 6 are 18, 18 ka 18, right? Now add this, which is 18 8 1. If you add this, you will get like 1 8 2 10 3 13 13 1. I would say 8 plus 4 12 plus 3 15 1 16 1 5 6 7 8 8 2 3 plus 2 5 and 1 5 8 6 3. So this is the addition of this part. You got this? Come on, say. Everyone understood? This is the third problem which we are discussing right now. Third problem. A lot of students are busy today, if I got. Do like the session. I would request all of you to do like the session. Now, the second section is, like as I said, what we did in the 3 lectures which we did on this channel is that, again I am repeating because you should not forget, we did like 2-digit number getting multiplied with a single digit, 2-digit number getting multiplied with a 2-digit number, then 3-digit number getting multiplied with the 3-digit number. Now these are a very important way of calculating the things in a faster way. As I said, if you do a lot of practice on this part, as I did, so you can like beat the calculation as well. Now let's come to the second section, which is called square. Many time, basically there are a lot of methods in doing the squares. A lot of methods are there, but I will be guiding you in very synchronized way that how you can do the square of any number. First of all, we need to think about 5, a number which contains the last digit is 5. If the number having the last digit 5, how can we do the square of that particular number? Correct? So what we can do, suppose the number in the format of x into x, any number is x and 5 ka square, we need to figure it out. What we are doing, we are writing x, adding 1 to x, which is x plus 1, and then we are writing like 5 ka square. Suppose if I ask you what is the square of 25, means 25 ka square is what? Then you would say that 5 ka square is 25, correct? Add 1 to this number, which is what? If you are adding 1, this becomes 3. 3 2s are, and multiply that number, which is 6. So the 25 ka square is 625. Is it right? I hope this makes sense to everyone. Let's take one more example. Is this clear? Come on, say. Is this clear? Please note it down if this is clear to you. Please note this down if this is clear to you. Now suppose if I take some other example, for example 35 ka square. 35 ka square. Again 5 ka square is giving me like 25, correct? 5 ka square is 25. Add plus 1 to this part, this becomes 4. 4 3s are 12. This is 1 2 2 5, correct? 1 2 2 5. Let's take example of 55 ka square. If I go for 55 ka square, now 55 ka square, again 5 ka square is nothing but 25, and add ones to this, this becomes 6, 6 5s are 30, this is 3025, correct? I hope this makes sense. Take any one more example. Let's say find out the square of 65. Let's say find out the square of 65 ka square. Again 65 ka square, 5 ka square is 25. Add 1 to this. If you add 1, this becomes 7. 7 6 are 42, which is 4225. I don't think that anybody is having problem in this part, correct? So you can, like when you make a note now, just segregate the part. If you need to find out the square of number ending with 5, this rule will get applied, okay? This rule will get applied if you want to find out the square root of a number ending with 5. Now see, it is not possible that every time the square root of you need to find out the square of number ending with 5. Suppose somebody can ask you, so that sir, what is the square of 42 ka square? Means somebody can ask you 42 ka square. Now these are the approach which is very handy to me, right? Very practical to me. If I would say now, these are the process which is very practical to me. I am not guiding you the process which are very, I would say, not practical in nature. So what is this process? This is called Aman Mantra. I would say this is called Aman Mantra. You can note it down. This is called Aman Mantra. You can just note it down and you can have. These are like practical process when you can see the number and then you can find out the square of that. First of all, now for this my base is like 50. For this my base is like 50. And what I need to do, I need to like do 25 plus minus n. Now if you don't understand what is 25 plus minus n, wait and see. Now if I ask you this number 42 is how much less from 50? You can answer me. 42 is how much less from 50? You would say what, 8? If 42 is 8 less than from 50, then find out the square of 8 ka square. 8 ka square is 64, right down here, right? See the step. This 42, subtract this from 50, the difference, take the square of that, which is 64. And second step is what? Minus this 8 from 25, because 25 plus minus n. 25 minus 8 is how much? Say fast everyone. 25 minus 8 is how much? 25 minus 8 is basically 17. So this is 1764 is the square of 42 ka square. I hope you got this. A very handy process, but the base is 50. Now you would ask me, sir, take some other examples so that we can have a clear vision. So this is I named as an Aman mantra. You can use it in your life, so you might not get puzzle in it. So let me go for some other example. Suppose I take a number like 43 ka square. Suppose I take a number like 43 ka square. Now again, think about it. This number 43 is how much less from 50? So 50 minus 43 is basically how much? 7. Then write down 7 ka square over here. 7 ka square is 49. 7 ka square is 49. Correct? I hope you got this method. Now again, subtract 25. Subtract 25 minus 7. 25 minus 7 is how much? If 25 minus 8 is 17, then 25 minus 7 is 18 basically. So you can write 18 over here. This is your square. Correct? I hope you are getting my point. Clear? Clear? This is the first step. This is the step number first, if you want to note it down. And this is your step number 2. This gives you last two digit, and this gives you first two digit of your main answer. Can we find out 40? No, we cannot find out like 42 ka square with that previous method, because 42 ka square is not having 5 at the end. This is the way you can just figure out. Now see, I can also make you understand the universal method of finding out the squares, but you should know these methods also. So that's why I'm giving you. Let's take one more example. Let's say example of 47. Can you figure out the 47 ka square? Now, how much less is 47 from 50? So 50 minus 47 is how much? 3. Then write down 09 over here, right? Because 3 ka square is 09, and we are always finding out the last two digits. See, last two digits. So that's why this is 09, correct? Now, this is basically how much less? Basically that 3 is how much less from 25? So you know 25 minus 3 is how much? 25 minus 3 is how much? 22. Write down 22 here. This is your answer. Got it? I hope this is clear to everyone. These are very handy method that you can like opt for, and you can just find out any number. Just take a number that should be less than 75. As I said now, this is followed from 25 to 75. You can find out the square through this method. 25 to 75. You can find out the square from this number. I will be giving you the sheet also. Through that sheet you can just figure out. Correct? Is it clear? Should I proceed now? Should I proceed now? I hope this is clear. Should I proceed now? Clear now? Okay. Okay. Now let's take because as we did 25 to 75 we did. Now from 25 to 75 we did. Now we need to figure out from 75 to let's say 175. Now 75 to 175. What is the process of doing it? Learn 2 or 3 methods, try using it. Suppose I want to find out the 98 ka square. What is that? Now here the base will change. Earlier the base was 100, here the base is basically Earlier the base was 50, here the base is 100, correct? And then again you need to do like 25, or you need to do 100 plus minus n. Okay. Now basically here you need to do 100 plus minus n. Now two things are there. First is what? Can I minus this? First thing is what? 100 minus 98 is what? Now you would say 2. Then find out the square of 2, which is 04. Then you can write down here, which is 04. Correct? The last 2 digit is giving you 04. I think this is clear. Now simply this 2 will get minus from 98. So 98 minus 2 is what? 96. So put 96 here. This is giving you first 2 digit of your answer, and this is giving you last 2 digit of your answer. Last 2 digit of your answer. Today I am not going to discuss, I am not discussing the cubes, because first you should master this, then we'll discuss cubes. Correct now? I hope you're getting. Okay, let me go for some other number also. Let me take one more example, like 97 ka square. Again 100 minus 97. 100 minus 97 will give you last 2 digit. It will give you last 2 digit. So which is what? Last 2 digit is what? 100 minus 91, last 2 digit would be 3. 3 ka square would be 09. Then write down 09 over here. You will write 09 over here. Correct. Now 97 minus 3. 97 minus 3 will give you first 2 digit. And you all know that 97 minus 3 is basically 94. Then this is your answer, 9409. A very easy way. 9409. Correct. I hope this is clear how we are doing it. Now see, if you will practice now, if you will practice, you can figure out the square of any number. Any number. That is what I am saying that. Now suppose I need to figure out the square of 89. Let's also learn, have a look on the carry forward numbers, like 89 ka square. Now what is 89 ka square? 100 minus 89 is what? 11. 11 ka square is 121. Write down 21 over here. 1 is carry. 1 is carry. Is it right? Now 89 minus 11 is what? It is 8. It is 78. 78 plus 1, because 1 was carry, will be added, which is 79. Then this is 7929. 7921. Is it clear? I hope this makes sense now. Today is Christmas, so that's why students are not in the class. They are enjoying the party, right? Today is Christmas, so that's why students are enjoying the class. Every time they like enjoy the class. Now, okay, don't enjoy the party, guys. You need to study. So let me give you the universal method. Now, this is the universal method. Universal method. What is universal method? Now, this method is applied to find out the square of any number, right? This method is applied to square of any number, whether it should be 2 digit, 3 digit. I will be only taking one example. I will be only taking the one example. Rest you need to practice at your home. Rest you need to practice. You need to practice at your home. Try taking the number, follow the steps which I guide right now. Try taking the number, follow the steps which I guide right now. Now here I am not segregating the part which you need to figure out from 25 to 75, and then I am going for 75 to 125 or blah or anything which we are doing. This universal method is like applied to any numbers, right? Now I'm just guiding you one. You should rest. You need to do the homework, which I think you will not. But my point is to give you the homework, so I'll give you the homework. Try at your home and follow that. Okay, this is like applied to any number or not. Suppose I write a number 46 ka square. Correct? 46 ka square. Now see carefully everyone what I do, because you can also watch this video again and again. Now what is this 46 ka square? What is this 4 ka square? 4 ka square is 16, correct? Let me write down here. What is this 4 ka square? 4 ka square is basically 16. What is this 6 ka square? 6 ka square is 36. Till now, is it clear to everybody? Till now, it is clear to everybody? Till now? Please confirm. Till now, it is clear to everyone? Correct? Okay, fine. Now, see what I am doing. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. 24 2s are. 6 4s are 24. 24 2s are. Means I am like doing it 6 into 4 into 2. What I am doing? 6 into 4 into 2. If I write 6 into 4 into 2, what I am doing basically 6 into 4, 24 into 2 is basically 48. Leave this space as a blank. Write down 8 here and write down 4 here. Just add this number. This 6 would be here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 carry, 6, 4, 10, 11. Is it right? Till now it is clear to all of you? And this will become 2. 2116 is the answer. Have a look. Through this method, you can, I would say you can find out the square of any number. Let me repeat one more time so that you could have a clear vision. Let me repeat one more time so that you can. The number is basically 46 square. Write down the square of 4. 4 square is basically 16. Write down 16 here. 6 square is basically 36. Write down 36 here. Now you need to multiply basically. Multiply 4 into 6 and 4 into 6 into 2. Basically 4 into 6 and into 2, which is what? 48. Leave this space. Do not fill this space writing 48. Write down 8 here. Write down 4 here. Add this number. You can add this number. What you will get? 6. Because this is backend 6, 1, 1, 2. This is your answer. This is the homework now. If you say so, this is what 42. You can just try the 42 ka square. 4 ka square 16. Write down 2 ka square is 04. Write down 04. Then 4 2s are 8 2s are 16. Write down 16 over here. You will get the same answer 4 6 7 1. This is the method number 1. And what I guided you right now. By 42 ka square, you remembered I said this number is how much less from 42? You said 8. So we did 8 ka square, which is what we did 64. Then 25 minus 8 is basically how much? 17. And we write 17 over here. So this is method number 2. You can follow the which way you want. Make sense? Clear? Okay. So see, very slowly I'm going like, if you follow these videos and do the homework part, you can become like a pro, or I would say you can become like very good at calculation skills. You are very familiar with the numbers and you can try anything, correct? So I would request all of you, I will be giving the PDF in my Telegram. I hope Sangeeta you got this. Sangeeta, you got this? Try using my all the tricks as I said earlier, and if anyone wants to learn the maths in a very different way, please share these videos to that very aspirants, so that their calculation, their myth regarding the math should change. My promise to every one of you is that I'll change the mindset through which you are following the maths in your past days or past years. Just follow what I teach, just follow what I make you understand. Do the homework as I say always. Follow my Telegram, as I always share the Telegram link. So follow my Telegram. I will be sharing. Yesterday I also shared some of the PDFs over there. but nobody replied. So I will be today also I will be sharing like 50 questions. Today I will be sharing like 50 questions. 50 questions on 3-digit number getting multiplied with the 3-digit number. Then you need to figure out the squares from 1 to 500. Square from 1 to 500. Mark my words, everyone. If you will not follow these rules of mine, you won't get clear any of the examination. These are must known facts which you all should know.